about why Python is having demand in the IT industry. What are the Python futures there? And what are the advantages of using the Python language? Okay, like some terms related we discussed, guys. Who can learn the Python? These all points we discussed. So who can learn the Python? What are the prerequisites to learn this Python language? Why Python is having demand in the IT industry? Because of the Python futures, because of the Python advantages. What are the futures there? What are the advantages there? We discussed and what kind of applications we can design Python using the Python, guys, or where Python can use in these all technologies Python can use this. So these all points we discussed. What are the top applications which are developed by Python technology? So these all some topics, applications, guys, which are designed by Python and its frameworks. Okay, no? And so many futures we discussed. These all futures related. Already I shared material with you guys. So Python is a portable language, scalable language, versatile language, garbage collector is there. Scalability means a huge number of requests, even though we are sending more fastly response, giving us handling the huge count of requests and giving the response properly. Versatile means the different domain-based applications we can design. So performs multiple behaviors guys, for developing the different applications. Supportable means in any platform like Windows, Linux, Mac OS, anywhere the same application we can use. So like a different advantages there. History also we discussed, guys. In 1980s, discussion started about the Python. 1989 development started, implementation started. 91 released to public as a free and open source. No need to pay any amount to the any company. Freely we can download and install it, guys. So who developed means Guido van Rossum developed. Okay, who is the father of Python means Guido van Rossum, the father of Python programming language. And why this language name has kept Python means, so one famous British comedy web series movie is there. The name was Monty Python Circus Flying. So our author loving this movie more and more and watching continuously. So that's why he took this Python name and kept as our language name. Okay, short name, mysterious name, and popular name he kept as our language name. And different types of versions there. I said Python 1x, 2x, 3x related version. So all this 1x, 2x versions officially deprecated, guys. So no one using this all. And also when coming to the 3x related, so Python version 3.9 or above versions, industry people are using, guys. 3.9 or above versions. And latest version right now here, Python 3.13.3 version is there. Clear this one? So remember this one. If you want, you can see here Python related versions. You can see here versions of Python, versions of Python in Wikipedia, guys. So history of Python or versions of Python. You can see here. So scroll down here. So these all colored related deprecated, guys, up to 3.8 people not using this one. So these versions are using in the industry 3.9, 3.10, 3.11, 3.12, 3.12. Okay. So these versions anyone you can use based on your project duration. And this is the latest version, guys. Which one is the latest version here? 3.13 is the present version, latest version. And this year 25 October month, they are planning to release a new version 3.14 also. Presently, this one is the current version. Okay, Nam? Yes, yes. So here, which version you want that you can download and install it. For example, we have a official website python.org. So here downloads there. Click on this link or simply click on downloads. And now here Python 3.13 coming. You can download it, guys. You can download it. Okay, Nam? So when you are clicking here, one executable file downloading, go to there and by double clicking that, follow the next screens. If any old versions, if you want, here there are so many versions there. What are the versions you want? That version you can download and install it. All of you clear this one? Just a revision I'm giving. So for installation related here, so this screen also, I mean this material also uploaded in the portal. Today I'll upload all these files in the WhatsApp group, guys. I forgot to upload in the WhatsApp group. So no problem. I'll upload these all things today in the WhatsApp group. So in our official website there, Ashok IT, there I uploaded these all theoretical papers and interview questions related topic wise. So whenever you are downloading one executable file, is the installer file is coming, double click on that. Then first time showing like this, guys. So everyone click on this one. This one, don't install this one. You don't know about the Python, what versions required, what versions don't require, like that. So install default locations later. Before that, you can select these checkboxes. Then Python path is going to adding automatically. Python path is adding. Okay, if you are not selecting this one and if you are installing this one, no problem. Auto explicitly also we can add it Python path. So default path location, this one C drive, users, your username, inside that app data folder, local programs, Python, inside that your Python version, whatever you install that version showing. Okay. Yes, yes. Now here, so custom installation, if you are selecting here, the checkbox is showing what features you want. Those features you can select, and what you don't want, you can unselect like that. So wherever you want to install, there you can install. By clicking this browse, you can install it. Simply click on this install button, guys. Okay, now? So finally, like this installation process is going on, and after 1-2 minutes, installation will be completing. After that, if you want to check Python path is added or not, then simply open the command prompt. Open the command prompt and type here, guys. Type here Python. If Python path is added automatically, then Python prompt getting. After typing Python and pressing enter, then you are redirecting to this prompt. So Python prompt like this there, guys. So now here Python related coding we can do what we want, that we can do it, guys. Storing the 10 value and printing that 10 value like that. Again, from the Python prompt to command prompt, if we want to redirect exit function, we can use or else Control Z you can press and press the enter, guys. Then coming back to the command prompt. Coming back to the command prompt. Okay, now. So remember that. So just wait, guys, here. So follow everyone here. WhatsApp group, WhatsApp group. I'm sharing, guys, here. So anyone, if still not joining into the WhatsApp group, please click on this link. You're going to joining into the WhatsApp group. There today I'll upload so far today whatever up to today whatever completing materials. Those all topics related I will upload. For more information, here only contact numbers I'm sharing. So contact to them if anyone unable to accessing the materials. And accessing materials related, if anyone still having doubt, so here YouTube link also I'm sharing. So go through that link, how to enroll for this Python free course, and how we are able to accessing material, programs, interview questions, all you'll see here. Okay, na? So please click on that WhatsApp link. You're going to join into that. And any problem you are facing, then contact to those numbers, guys. Contact to those numbers. Got it? Yes. So coming to concept. Notes I uploaded, guys. Carefully follow what I'm telling. So whatever the topics I explained so far, these all materials. This is a material one. For example, about the Python related material two. Here about the Python futures, history, versions, advantages. All you're going to get it. Okay, and This is installation related screens you're going to get it. After that, how to add the environment variables, Python path setup, how to do is all. Up to this, I uploaded in Ashok IT portal. So today I'll upload in the WhatsApp group also. You can get it. Now, so here after installation, guys, Python path is added or not testing purpose. Open the command prompt, type the Python. You're going to get Python prompt. Then small testings you can do if you want. Again, exit function you can type, coming back to the Python command prompt. From the Python prompt to command prompt coming. Or else the Control Z option also you can click and press enter, coming back to the command prompt. So whenever you are typing the Python, when you are seeing this one, if you are seeing this one, then Python path is added successfully, like you can consider. Otherwise, if Python path is not added, Python not recognized as an internal or external command, like error showing. Python not recognized as an internal or external command, like one error showing. It means a path not added. That is your confirmation. Then you can add it. How to adding Python path related? So here multiple options there, guys. So in this start menu, environment variables, like you can type it. Okay, edit the system environment, like coming as okay, now here the environment variables there. So environment variables, when you're typing like this, so you will get it, guys. So environment variable, click on this one, so it will open like this. It will open like this. So here under the advanced tab, you are able to see here environment variables button. So click on this one. Otherwise, some people what can do means here. So simply right click on this PC, guys. Right click on this PC, click on the properties, and now here click on this advanced system settings link, and now here same window coming. Okay, now environment variables, click it, and then here the path variable is there, guys. So select that and click new. Then here variable name, variable value asking. Variable name is a path you are going to enter here, path. Variable value, your Python interpreter location path you are pasting here. And after pasting here, OK button activating, you can click here. Otherwise, simply select this one, double click this one, guys, simply, or else edit you can click, no problem. So like this coming, and after copying your Python path, then here the paste it by double clicking here, paste it, or else click on this new and paste here. Okay, now any path if you don't want, select that and click delete, it is going to deleting. So right now here, see, guys, in my system Python path added. So this is the location Python path related. This is for Python path. Python interpreter is there. Python interpreter is nothing but python.exe. Python.exe is one executable file. So in this location is there. And this script folder is for pip command related, Python installer package. This one is important for executing the Python programs, guys. Executing our Python scripts, this python.exe file is executable, required. This executable file is required. And pip is required for installing the Python-based third-party modules. For developing our applications, so many third-party modules are required. Those all are available in the internet. From the internet, if we want to download, then using the pip command, we can download it. If you are adding one time this entire path here, then from the command prompt directly you can use the pip. Otherwise, in your command prompt, every time you have to redirect into this folder location. There you can use the pip command related. So instead of every time redirecting one time, if we are adding this path, then whenever we require there, we can use this pip directly. So that is the advantage, guys. If you are adding pip path also here. Okay, now? So remember. So already added here. If you want to copy this path, how we are copying. So carefully observe here, Python path. So in the C drive, users there, guys. In your system, your username is there. In my system, Lenovo is there as my name. So click on the Lenovo. And now here app data folder. This is a by default hidden folder. So you need to be enable it. So for example, here view is there. Here hidden items there. By default like this there. We are unable to see here hidden app data folder. Click on the view. Click on the hidden items. And then app data folder is enabled. App data folder enabled. And now here click on this one. Go inside the app data. And now here local is there, guys. Go inside the local. And next here so many folders there. So go to inside the programs. And next click on this Python. Next click on this Python version related folder. So now here this Python executable file is there. This is your main Python interpreter file. This one is required to executing Python programming. Okay, so this entire path copy and comes to here, paste it here. Simply double click on here and paste it here. So this one is there already is there. Next, one more time what you are doing here. So in the same folder, we have a scripts folder. So click on this. Here pip command related is there. So this path copy and then paste one more time here. This is already available here. At the time of installation, the checkbox if you are selecting, these two lines automatically coming. If you are not selecting, if you are forgetting, then you can do like this one. You can add like this one. And then click OK, everything click OK. Okay, done guys. So that is how to adding the Python path explicitly means this is the process. So every Python learner or Python developer 100% must require to know how to installing the Python, how to add the Python setup. Okay, now. So guys, so far all the videos links also you are getting freely only. Okay, now. Whenever link changing in the WhatsApp group, you will get update. Or else with the same link daily going to connect, no problem. So only for registered people only videos access up to course completion you will get it, and 1 year accessibility is there, guys. All the videos you will get it, 1 year accessibility is there. For backup videos purpose, you can buy this one. 999 rupees charging, guys. Okay, 999 rupees we are collecting for maintaining the backup videos related in the server. Or otherwise, directly classes, if you want only classes, you can join Monday to Saturday sessions there. Material you will receive it. Okay, now. So up to this session, video links, video recording links also you will get it. Okay, Monday, maximum Tuesday, guys, will change it. So later onwards, people unable to watch the videos also. Directly class attending only. Okay, na 999 rupees. I said already, it's not a big cost. So anyone wants, you can make it your registration. Okay. So now one more point you have to remember. Whenever we are installing the Python software, in this start menu, Python related one Python console you are getting as interactive console. This is a black screen console. So this is just for Python basic testing purpose only. We are not using for developing the many lines of code. For more lines of code development purpose, this is not a suitable. So then no need to use this one. Just wait. Yes, yes. Next, here, this black screen, no need to use it, close this one. And here only when we are installing Python software, along with the Python software, one tool, IDLE tool is coming. This is the by default along with the Python software is coming. IDLE means integrated development language environment tool. So using this also same like console, Python console is there, interactive console, same like the basic testings we can do it. Each line here immediately executing as each line immediately executing when we are pressing the enter button. Okay, now? So here, if you want to write the many lines of code, then so many options there here. So click on this file and click on this control N, simply new file. Then one new notepad file is going to opening. Python based notepad file is. So I want to create one first Python program. I want to execute guys right now. So for that, using this ideally I'll do, and also some days, up to some days, I will use this ideally only until you are understanding all the basics of Python coding. Then we can use one real-time tool. One real-time tool we can use it guys. Real-time ID is there. PyCharm professional ID is there. PyCharm community ID is there, and Visual Code Studio, like whatever we want, we can use it. So now here, click on the file and next, click on the new file. It will open like this, guys, on screen. So now here, whatever you want, you can create it. I want to take two numbers from the user. Okay, later dynamically I will take it. First, static values I'm going to use, and I want to perform the addition of these two values, guys. Simply result equal to a plus b, and then I want to print it, guys. I want to print this result. Okay, na? Now, after writing these all many lines of code, then I want to save this file. I want to save the file. Click on the file and click on the save, guys. Control yes is the shortcut. So now, whenever we are clicking this Control yes, then by default Python software location showing. Along with the Python software, these all folders coming. Don't save your own files in this Python software location. If you are saving here, your Python software is going to corrupting, guys. So that's why choose one folder wherever you want, there you can create it. For example, in the D drive, I'm going to choose a D drive. Here the several folder I want to create one folder, guys. I want to create one folder, for example, this one AIT, AIT free batch. I will simply AIT2, AIT2 like one folder name I'm creating, and choose this folder, guys. In D drive IT2, Ashok IT2, guys. Now here I want to save it. Any file name you can use for Python file saving purpose. Any file name. This is a first file, simply like a demo I'm taking. Demo.py extension you can write. If you are not writing this .py extension also, no problem. Save as type, which type, Python file type only there. Then automatically .py is taking. So any file name .py extension is required for Python file. Then click this save button. Yes, now saved, guys. In D drive AIT2 folder demo.py saved. So after saving, if you want, you can reduce this size, no problem. So I want to execute this one, guys. In this ideally only, we have one run menu here. So click on this run, and next click on this run module. Run module is there. Shortcut is F5 button. Click on the run. Click on the run module. Now here you're getting, guys. Here you're getting. So check it here. Here we can write the coding, and when we are executing result, we are getting on the screen. 30 we are getting. What is this 30? It is a result, some result. So comma we can write. This sum is like writing. So this is a string message, guys. In Python, between the quotations, anything we can write called as string. So this sum is, and here what is the result? 30. This 30 is displaying here. Okay. Now you can execute here. The sum is 30, like you're getting. This is just like a separation I'm using. If you don't want, no worries about that. The sum is 30. Okay, we can display like that. Otherwise, the sum of 10 and 20 is 30. Like also we can display it. Different ways we can display it, guys, dynamically. Check it here, print. So what I want, the sum of the sum of this is as it is I want to display. After that, a value dynamically displaying here, and then the sum of a and I want then next b value dynamically I want to get it. Is the sum of a and b is then result variable you can write it. Result variable you can write it. Check it here. So this is as it is printing. So here this 10 value is coming and printing. The sum of 10 and 20 is here 30 is there. In these places, dynamically values getting as this is a static data. Total together printing. Check it here. The sum of 10 and 20 is 30. So coming days, these values from the user, guys, from the user dynamically we can take it, guys, from the user dynamically we can take it. Enter first number, enter second number, then whatever the number user entering, that user number values here dynamically we can display. If user entered 100 and 200, the sum of 100 and 200 is 300 like displaying. If user entered 50 and 60, the sum of 50 and 60 is 110 like displaying. So right now static data only we used. Clear all of you? This is the first Python program we created. Okay, today I completed this program guys assumption. So I closed this one ideally and all I'm closing. So tomorrow I want to execute same program or else some more additional lines I want to add in that same only. So simply here open ideally tool. So it will open like this screen. You can reduce it by dragging. So now here file is there and click on this file and click on this open link. Control O is the shortcut. Then it will open like this by default Python software location showing. Choose your folder where your file is there. In D drive, I have a AIT2 folder. Now here demo is there. So select that, click on open or double click on this. So it will open like this. It will open like this. Understanding this one? So now here what you want, you can write it. So now here, thank you. Thank you for using this ideally. Thank you for using this ideally. Like just one message I'm writing. So in between the quotations, either single or double quotation guys. Anything we can write that is as it is printing by print function. Save it. Control yes. Will the save or else you can click on here. Save. And then executing related here run module. Shortcut is what? F5. Simply press the F5 button. So thank you for using this ideally tool. You're getting. Okay, now. So if any problem is there, yes, Python immediately throwing error. For example, see here, by default Python rules. So every line from left side onwards required, guys. Every line left side starting onwards required. This is the Python indentation rule. Rules we have to be follow. So here I'm not following the rule. See here, one additional space I'm using here. One additional space I'm using. So first this line correctly there or not checking. Yes, if this line correctly is there, immediately this line executing and memory creating is. So when coming to here, this line is wrong there. Space problem is there. Then here only stopping, lines not executing. Okay, so save it and execute it. See here, error also showing where problem is there. So syntax error, unexpected indent. Unexpected indent means that extra space you are getting. So directly you are coming to here, this space you are going to removing. Okay, then our program is going to executing. So like that, line after line, immediately checking and executing as wherever problem is there, their own execution stopping. We have to solve that one, then only rest of the line is going to executing. This is the first program related, how to creating, how to executing. Okay, if you are using this ideally tool, here run is there, by clicking this, you are going to executing as. So from the command prompt, this file, how we are executing. From the command prompt, go to your folder location. So go to your folder location guys, in the D drive, we have a AIT folder. So now here our file is there, this one. This is our file. Okay, so now here you can click on here, simply type this cmd command prompt opening up to our root folder. D drive AIT2 is there. So now here type the Python space your file name .py. Python space file name .py. Your file name whatever is there, that one. Python space file name .py you can type and press enter. On the screen you are going to get these all messages. So everyone 100% must be required to know about how to executing the Python file. Where is your Python folder? Python file is there. Up to that, this folder you have to open. There you can execute this command Python space file name dot py. And after that, if you are using any IDLE tool, from that IDLE tool only you can execute. From that IDLE tool only you can execute the program. So no Pradeep. Python indentation is very important. Because of the indentation, our Python code is looking like a more readable format compared to the other languages. Other languages following the curly brace syntaxes. Curly brace syntaxes for representing the group of lines. Python follows the indentation for representing the group of lines. By default, every line is from starting onwards left side required. Created a lot of blocks. We are going to write if block, else block, a for block like that. There, using the indentation only, we are representing block of statements. You don't worry about that. So Monday onwards, topic wise, we are going to discussing their indentation also there. So that time indentations related all the rules and regulations, why it is important, what is the advantage of using indentation compared to the other languages, all you are going to get it. Okay. So first program I did from the command prompt how to executing and using the IDLE tool how to executing. I said IDLE tool automatically along with the Python software is coming. So we can execute guys using that some days. And later we have so many real-time IDs like a PyCharm, Professional, Community, Visual Code Studio, Sublime Text, Atom, like so many are there. So which one you are feeling comfortable that you can use it. So PyCharm Professional ID or PyCharm Community. Simply PyCharm ID is mainly designed for Python development related. So many Python related advantages you're going to get using the PyCharm IDs. If you are having already knowledge with Visual Code Studio, you can use that only. Got it? Okay. So remember guys, up to this one in this material. So those all screens path setup related and after installing so Python versions, how we are checking. So this all you will get it. See, this is a command prompt. Okay, I'll close this one. And coming back to here, this is a command prompt. So here Python space hyphen version, like we can type it. So which version of the Python we are using that you are getting as so same like pip pip hyphen version we can use pip related version also you are able to see guys. Okay, so Python related what are the version is required, that version automatically downloading and installing guys. You know worries about that one. So like this we can verify the versions of the Python. Got it? Yes. So this all step by step you can check it guys. Here virtual environment related is there. Forget about this virtual environment concept. So this is a coming this I'll take care. So real-time virtual environment is also very important. So later we can check it. So interactive mode is nothing but that black screen. Batch mode is nothing but that ideally screen guys. Batch mode, interactive mode is for just basic lines testing only. Batch mode is for typing more lines of code at a time and executing purpose we can use. So for developing the coding related, we required editors or IDEs. We have so many editors like Notepad, Notepad++, Edit Plus, Nano, ideally automatically coming along with the Python. In our Windows system, automatically coming Notepad. Anyone, whatever you want, you can use that, guys, and you can save it. Okay. So, and when coming to the IDs, we have so many IDs like Jupyter, Anaconda, PyCharm, Erica, Spider, Eclipse, Sublime Text, Atom, like that. So we are going to use this PyCharm IDE. I'm going to tell about this one, guys. Got it? Okay, in this all theoretical material you're getting, and using the ideally, see all the screens are given. Click on file, next click on the new file, and then enter the code. After entering the code like this, save that file. After saving, you're going to click run here, run module. All the screens I added. Simply go through this one, you will understanding guys. Next, from the command prompt how to executing also I given everything. Okay, now? So here all you are writing and you are printing as a different names. And PyCharm related installation, downloading installation, PyCharm related link also given. By clicking this, directly you are going to downloading PyCharm version, guys. PyCharm related. Okay. So now here later PyCharm, how we can use these all things there. At the time of using this one, I'll take care it about this one. Don't worry right now. So in the starting screens only, all I given at a time. Yes, guys. So whatever the ID you want, that you can use it. In that ID, how to executing, how to typing, that is you have to understand it. Myself, I'm going to teach about the PyCharm, which is mainly designed for the Python development only. Okay, now these three files related. So we'll check the questions. See guys here. So here Python installation and path setup related there. So how to download and install the Python software from the official site python.org. You are downloading and you are installing. How to add the Python path in the environment variable section. We discussed guys. How verifying the Python was installed on Windows. Open the command prompt and type the Python. If Python prompt is coming like this, then installed successfully. Okay. So otherwise getting Python not recognized like that, getting problem. Or else simply here Python you can type. If not installing, then if not available there any Python console or ideally then not install like that, you can get confirmation. So how to check the version of the Python, which one installed like that? Open the command prompt there, type Python space hyphen version, then you'll get it. How to check the version of the pip installed? Pip hyphen version you can use. What is the pip? What is the pip guys here? PIP stands for Python installer package. Python installer package. What is the purpose of this one? By using the pip, we can install the Python related third party packages or modules from the internet. Third party related packages are available in the internet. From the internet, this pip is downloading the third party packages and installing automatically. Searching for required module. This command we are using as like this. Pip install and then your module name or package name, whatever you want to install. So this pip is communicating to internet, searching for required module or package and finding the latest version and collecting that, downloading that, installing that. Everything is done by pip only, latest version. If you want any specific standard version, guys, any standard version if you want, required version if you want, here double equal to version number, double equal to version number like we are typing. So searching for that given version, finding that version, downloading that version, installing that version. So coming days we are going to discussing more clearly about the pip guys. So right now this knowledge is enough. And next here, where is available pip? In Python software location, we have a scripts folder, guys. SCRIPTS scripts folder is there. Inside this pip is available. When it is coming into our machine, when we are installing the Python software, along with the Python software, this one is coming. So this is about the pip related information. Okay, now? Yes. Next, question. How to install the Python packages or modules? Just now I said using the pip, we are going to installing. And what is the use of IDLE tool? This IDLE tool automatically installing using the Python. When we are installing the Python software, this IDLE tool automatically installing guys. So using this IDLE tool, Python related coding we can develop it. Basic testings we can do, or many lines of code also using the Python IDLE related notepad file we can develop, we can save that file and we can execute it. From this ideally only we can execute the Python programs also without opening the command prompt, like you're going to tell about this one. So ideally stands for integrated development language environment. In the material, these all points related there guys. These all questions related information is there. How to interact Python prompt from the command prompt. By typing Python from the command prompt, you can redirect to Python prompt. How to redirect from Python prompt into command prompt by typing the exit function or control Z, we can redirect. How to create and execute the first Python program. Just now we did open the ideally and control a notepad file coming, save, type your code and save it where you want and then execute it. So all the steps are given guys about this one. And before this, history features later. So what is Python? Can you explain some important Python features? So many Python features related. We discussed guys here. See, there's also many features there. First, read all the things, try to understand, and then try to give the answers for these questions. And what is Python? Why Python is called dynamically typed language? Why called dynamically typed means before the variable name, no need to specify the data type of the variable. At runtime, Python is deciding based on the value what type of memory is required. That's why it is called as dynamically typed programming language. Why Python is called as a portable language? This all information there guys here. Why Python is called as a portable language? So here I given. After developing the Python application in Windows OS, Mac OS, in other Linux distributions, so same application we can use. Developers no need to create multiple applications for every platform. This is called portable behavior. Okay. And is Python object-oriented programming language? Yes, because OOPS principles we can use and we can developing the applications. Is Python a functional-oriented programming language? Yes, using the functions concept like a C language, we can develop business logics for reusability purpose. Is Python is interpreted programming language? Yes. So line after line, each line executing is line after line, immediately executing and memory is creating. Those kind of languages are called as interpreted programming languages. Is Python a general purpose language? Yes, Python is a general purpose language. How can you say Python is a general purpose programming language? Using this Python, we are not going to developing same kind of application, one type of application. We can develop the many domain-based applications like AI related, machine learning related, DevOps related, cyber security related, web development related, okay, gaming applications related, like multiple advantages there is, multiple advantages. Okay, these all different domain-based applications we can design using the Python. That's why called a general purpose programming language. Is Python is case sensitive programming language? Yes, Python is a case sensitive language. It means lower letters, upper letters, both are different. From printing here capital A, then throwing the error guys. Small a is different, capital A is different. That is called case sensitive. Some languages not following case sensitive, lower, upper, anything we can use. Is Python code compiled or interpreted? Is Python code is compiled or interpreted, guys? So first source code is there. Directly we are interpreting only that code, guys. So only one command. This source code is internally compiling, checking for syntax errors line by line, checking for syntax errors, guys, all the lines of code. If any syntax error is there, throwing that error mistake. Okay, not generating the byte code. If no syntax error is there, then generating the byte code for this source code, guys. This byte code at runtime executing and return response, guys. Response returned. So for this entire purpose, only one command we are using. So via this format executing. So internally it is compiled and then interpreted. Both we can say it. First compiling and then interpreting, but we are using one command only. That's why most of the times people are considering like a Python is an interpreted programming language. Java is a compiler language, compiling separately and then later executing. What are the some top companies or uses in the Python language? Already explained, guys. Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, Bitbucket, Disqus, Spotify application, like several things there. Who invented the Python? Guido van Rossum. Guido van Rossum. When released in 1991, released to public. In 1989, started implementation. 1991, released to public. Okay, no? So why it is called as Python? So Guido Van Rossum loving one famous British comedy web series movie. The movie name was Monty Python Circus Flying. From that movie, he took the name Python and kept as our language name. Okay. What type of language is Python, guys? What type of language is Python means? Python is a different types of language names you can delete, guys. Python is a object-oriented programming language. Python is a interpreted language. Python is a portable language. Python is a versatile language. Like all Python features related, you can tell. Python is a dynamically typed programming language like that. So majorly we are telling like a Python is a interpreted and dynamically typed programming language. Okay. So Python was inspired by the which programming language? Python was inspired by the which programming language? So this one from the ABC programming language, guys, developed from the ABC programming language, inspired and developing this Python. Python programming language written in which language? Using the C language, guys, Python programming language written, but inspired by using the ABC programming language. Inspired by using the ABC programming language, using the C language standards developed. Small knowledge purpose only these all points. So all are one word answer question. They may ask any question, guys, in interviews. As a Python learner or Python developer, guys, when you are attending interviews per company about the Python, definitely one or two questions you're getting. Tell me about the Python. Can you explain some important features of the Python? Or directly some features they are only asking you how to explain about them. Or why Python is having demanding? What are the advantages of using the Python after learning the Python? Like asking. So prepare these all questions to prepare, guys. So later onwards, we are going to discussing next session onwards. We are going to discussing as so our main topics. Okay. So here this first module is over, guys. So Monday session onwards, module 2 going to start. Module 2. So here the keywords related, comments related, how many keywords there, what is keyword, purpose of the keyword, where all available keywords there, like you're going to get about the quotations, different types of quotations there, indentation, identifiers, variables, how reading data from the user dynamically, like so many are there. Topic by topic we'll discuss. So don't miss. If you want to continue this session, guys, if you want to learn the Python related, so initial first to 2 week sessions are very, very important. There only all the Python related rules, regulations, you're going to get it. Okay, now? So here, with that, Pranit, you're asking about each question related answers also. Okay. So these are all questions related here already. If you are reading this theoretically, you are only able to give the answer. No need to provide a question and answer related. You are not a child kids, guys. You are not LKG standard kids. Okay. So you are learning graduations related or already completing graduation. You are trying for jobs, maybe. So first theoretically you have to read it. Then you have to attend the questions. You have to able. You need to give answers for every question. So you have to identify, guys, each question related what is the answer required to give it like that. So then increasing your skills. Question with answer, question with answer. This is like a spoon feeding. I hope no need of that kind of spoon feeding to you, to all the students. Topic material I'm sharing and I'm explaining. Do reading that material and do practice using the ideally. Coming days, Monday onwards, programmatically in the ideally number of programs we are going to developing here only lot of test cases. I'll write, guys, all the concept related education. So then you'll get it lot of things. It's here in the Ashok IT portal already uploaded, guys. Content also uploaded. Go through this one. Okay, I'll log in here in the portal. Ashok IT in portal is there. Okay, here so now here 36 batch. So here I uploaded guys content I uploaded starting only I uploaded recently uploaded files displaying on top side with number 1. So old files going down guys. Every day if I'm uploading a lot of files, these files are going downside. So this is a Python content. If you are opening this one, you'll get that content. Check it. Enroll for that course. You are able to accessing this one. See here, this one Python installation interview questions are there. Python installation setup concept here is there now. Latest one. Okay, here questions coming. Why it is coming like that? Okay, 2 times questions only uploading. Okay, I will re-upload it. This future is coming. Yes, futures uploaded successfully. About the language uploaded. Python language related content also uploaded. And about the full stack development content also uploaded. These all properly uploaded. So only setup related 2 times questions only added. One is the questions related. This one fine. And another one is this one also questions there. Installation path. Okay, I'll re-upload it, guys. After log out and login, it will upload it. In this website, maybe catching problem is there. So that's why I previously entered paper only automatically taking. Okay, I'll check it that I'll upload it. And also in the WhatsApp group, I will upload it. Please join into the WhatsApp group. Anyone still pending is there. So WhatsApp group is very, very important for this session. All updates you're going to get it. Again, in the chat menu, I'm posting. So click on this one if still anyone pending is there. And here only contact numbers are given. Contact to those numbers for any queries. And for backup videos related, 999 rupees payment guys. So 1 year accessibility is there. Whenever you have free time there, you can that time you can listen it. If any sessions missing because of college works, college exams, or office works, later you can go through these backups. So as soon as possible, you can make it your registrations if you want to backup videos for 1 year accessibility. Okay. Yes. So I'll stop now this recording here. And from Monday onwards, module 2, we are going to discussing. Don't miss it. Do you have any queries?
Sir, after this course, can we able to do the hacker rank problem, sir?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Any other one? So these 3 sessions, 4 sessions, guys, all module 1 related topics we discussed, basic things. So within the 3 days or 4 days, what we discussed out of this concept, definitely 1-2 questions, 100% you're going to get when you are attending the interviews. So Python with AI, Python with the cyber security, Python with the web development, Python with the gaming related, any course, guys, Python related question, definitely you're going to get it. So don't postpone, guys. Download the material and do reading every point carefully and try to attend the questions. important.
Sir, for web development, only Django only we are using, or Flask you are not teaching, sir, anything, because
Yes, Python with Django, Python with Flask, we can develop it, guys. So 90% of the project, 80 to 90% of the project web development related, Python with Django developing. So less than 10%, 10 to 20% of the project, Python with the Flask there. That's why we're giving high priority to Django framework. After learning the Django, by spending some time, Flask also you can learn it additionally. So in Django framework, end of the day, so how to downloading Flask, how to installing using Flask, how we are developing. So one or two programs explaining. Okay,
thank you.
What is?
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Good.
Sir,
Compared to the Flask, so many benefits there using the Django, guys. So that's why we are giving priority for Django first. Tell me, madam.
yes, sir. With this, with this course, after completion of this course, can we write any certification for Python, which, if at all any certification is there, exam,
Yes.
can you name it, sir? Which one we should go for?
Okay. PA, Python related PIPE like separate the intermediate level, experience level, like separate certifications they are providing. For intermediate level, one certification; for experience level, one certification; for proficiency level, one certification. Like separately providing. So like other languages, people are not expecting the certification related to Python most of the times. Number of companies they are not expecting the certification related to the Python. So simply in the Google, guys, so you can type here the Python certification. So for networking related, some other course related certification is important. For Python is not like that. Python certifications for real time simply. So these certification there, guys, PCAP, okay, PCPP, like these are there. So okay, let's see here these things. Most of the people doing these certifications only. So PCAP means Certified Associate in Python Programming. Next, PCPP means Certified Professional in Python Programming. Same like that, other things also there. Okay, so Python programming for professional, associative, and beginner level also there. Like different courses there. This site only providing PCAP, PCPP, and some other names also there. So very rarely people are asking about this one. Certifications related. Okay, no?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Uh, and cost of this certification and all, if you want, guys. So you can click here and try to learn here by spending some time here. This is the site for this one certification related. So when you want to try to do the certification, then it is asking the payment related. So you can understanding. So here all information is there. See here dollars format is there, guys. Cost USD dollars there. Only exam related this one. Exam and retake related this one. Okay, practice text this one. Like this, depending on the choosing option, cost is varying, guys. So Python Institute like that, Python Institute there, here they are providing the certifications.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me, other questions, anyone? See, Kavya, Python developer roadmap, in this course, almost more than 10 chapters I'm covering. These all are very important. for Python career development related. Okay, as a Python developer, if you want to settle in your career, 100% you have to learn about these all modules. Along with this, if you want to be becoming like a web developer, Django framework, Flask framework, you're going to learn it. Okay, desktop-based applications, if you want to developing Python with a tkinter module, you're going to learn. If you want to settle as a Python automation testing engineer like that, so Python with Selenium related some testing modules there. So you are going to learn about that. For data science related, for AI related, different module there. So first choose which side you want to go. Decide which side you want to go. As a which kind of developer you want to settle in your career. Then that related you're going to be planning learning courses.
Sir, is this 1 month course?
Yeah, 35 working sessions.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, can we use Visual Code for Python?
Yes, definitely you can use.
Okay. So you're going to use PyCharm, right?
My side, some days this ideally only I'm using. After that, PyCharm community or PyCharm professional, which one is the better one? This all I will explain and I will use it. So same Python program, if you want using Visual Code Studio also you can open and develop it. Typing the coding is same in all the IDs. Only execution process changing. In ideally different shortcut there, in PyCharm different shortcuts there, in Visual Code Studio different shortcuts there. Only those things changing. Coding is common.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, can you cover Python scripting also?
Yes. Here the depending on the requirement, okay, based on your
Okay.
task, scripting task there, scripting oriented related, we are writing. Functions related requirement there, function oriented logics we are writing. Object oriented requirement is there, object oriented format we are writing logics. All
Okay.
multiple language related features are there in the Python.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Yes. So in my batches, guys, previously so many DevOps engineers already who are employed. Okay. So they learn this scripting related and all and joining for the DevOps related courses also. Okay.
Yeah,
In
yeah.
our institute only Ashok are teaching DevOps. Okay. Here
Yeah,
learning
that's why
Python,
I
they're
asking for
continuing.
the Python scripting.
Yes.
So I also wrote for the Linux scripting. So that's why I also
Yes.
asked.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank
Yes.
Sir, is Python used for back-end web API development also, sir?
Yes. After Python, Django framework learning, and after Django framework, Django REST framework is there. Using that APIs we are developing, web APIs, REST APIs we are developing, and those APIs from the Postman tool we can test later, including the GUI, I mean user interfaces, we can access APIs and displaying the data.
So that user interface will be in like React or something you will be using?
Yes,
Or
anything, whatever we want, we can use it. User interfaces.
okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
UI related HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, these all learning, and then either React or Angular learning. Any one course.
So for the backend web API development, Python with the Django is the complete, package kind of thing, right, sir?
Yes, Django framework we are using for developing the APIs. But using
Okay.
Django framework, if you want to develop one CRUD operation related APIs, you want to perform create, update, read, delete related operation. For that
Okay.
APIs you want to develop. So more
Okay.
than 100 lines of code is required using pure Django. Which one? Using pure Django assumption. Okay. The same CRUD operation related APIs using the Django REST framework, we are calling simply REST API. So then less than 10 lines code is enough. Less than 10 lines code is enough using a REST API. So that's why all Django people learn the REST APIs, guys. 100% learning the REST APIs. So my side, I took number of batches for REST APIs, developing the APIs using several technologies, several modules, different modules. and which one is the better one, how we can develop using each module. Later, our APIs, other people, how they can use, others APIs, how we are using, app-to-app communication parallelly showing. In one application, API is developing from the other application, sending this API request, getting the response. This is all I'm showing in my full stack development.
So you will be taking this Django framework also after the completion of this Python, sir?
Yeah, this is a free course that I'm maybe announcement batch only. Okay.
Okay, okay. So,
Okay.
sir,
Or else if management deciding, okay, we'll take one Django also free batch like that. That I'm
okay,
deciding after this
oh,
course.
okay. So,
Yeah.
but sir, I'm a pure backend developer. So, can I take up this course? But will you be covering UI as well as part of your
No, in this free session, you are not covering only
uh,
Python related.
yeah, that I got. But if at all you take Django, sir,
Yes, yes.
that okay,
Here in my Python full stack, Python with Django with REST API backend only first priority.
okay,
Okay.
okay,
So
okay.
when you are learning the Django, for example, you want to do the registration. For that, registration form required. After registration, login is required. Login forms required. So that's why as a student, we are only learning how to developing registrations, how to displaying the login pages and all. Using these forms, we are registering. Later, we are login. After login, we are performing some actions. For that purpose, the student level, what is required, that I'll cover all the things UI related.
Got it,
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
Yeah,
When we are joining, when we are working in the real time, separately UI developer there, they are developing UI interfaces, then using them backend coding, communicating.
yeah, got it. Thank you.
Yes. Guys, in the chat box, number of times I'm sharing WhatsApp link. So one time sharing in the WhatsApp group means please click on that or save that link. Okay, for every person, no need to separately sharing. Continuously people sending message, WhatsApp link share like that. So today only 10 times I uploaded nearly. So one time for one person, if I'm sharing, any other person required, you also can click on that or copy that link. Yes, I posted. Go through that. Surendra, click on that, you will join it. And what's numbers also given, office numbers. Contact to those numbers. If you are unable to join into the WhatsApp group or unable to accessing the material from the portal. And in this WhatsApp group, up to today, whatever completing, those all I will post materials. Later onwards, in portal only uploading, guys.
Sir, hello, sir.
Here, Jena, as of now, initially up to this course, whatever I'm sharing programs, coming days, every topic related number of examples I will share. Do reading my material, do practice my programs, whatever I'm giving. Then after completing some sessions, I will let you know where you can practice through the online and all. Don't worry. If I'm teaching, if I'm telling those all things initial only, people will get confusions. Okay, na? So initial days, guys, go through my material. Yeah, tell me, madam.
Sir, can you give any practice questions like daily assignments for us?
Not daily, madam. Daily interview questions, I'm going to share it. So after completing some sessions, so far right now, theoretical points only we discussed. Logical sessions we didn't discuss. After
Yeah, sir.
completing module 2, when we are starting module 2, then you can expect task-based related.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Okay, na?
thank you.
Yeah. After module 2, when we are discussing module 2 related, so actual Python related, you will understand in this. This module 2 related here, coding wise we will discuss. So then you will understanding what I'm going to share with you, what questions I'm sharing with you, what task I'm going sharing with you. This all you will understand here.
Got it, sir. Got it.
Yes.
Sir, will you assign daily task for more practice, sir?
Yes, now I'm saying that only, madam. So previously another person also same question. Na?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So daily means first focus on the topic and later I'll expect from all people responses also whenever I'm discussing concepts. So I'm giving inputs next what is output like I'm expecting from you. That time if you people are giving response very well, then daily task these all things I will plan it. But definitely I'll share the assignments and all.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
guys. Thank you, guys. Have a nice weekend.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So again, Monday we have our session. So don't miss Monday session. Monday session module 2 going to start. So main topics going to start. Coding wise, we will discuss.
Okay.
Thank you. See you. Bye.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yeah. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Bye.
Have a nice weekend.
Tomorrow no class, right, sir?
Yeah. Tomorrow no class. Sunday, Monday to Saturday.
Sure. Thank you, sir. Have a good